Oh, I just had a scary dream. But I'm okay.
Sometimes dreams can feel scary, but they are just your brain.
Your brain helps your body get sleepy at night, so you can rest.
Scientists think dreams help your brain sort memories, practice things, and understand your feelings. And when you sleep, your brain can create dreams. Quick! What do dreams help your brain do? They help your brain sort memories.
Do dreams help your brain understand feelings?
Yes, they help your brain understand your feelings. Can dreams be silly and creative too? Yes, your brain can mix things together and be creative. That is why dreams can feel real or even funny. Melatonin helps your body rest, so your brain can dream. I think my brain is ready for sleep. Good night, scientists. Thanks for visiting Nova's lab. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome science content.